what's up? Let's quickly design motivational quotes for free and very easy using canva.com. Just go to canva.com and make account over here and type in over here, and you can see the motivational poster or motivational desktop wallpaper. Let's say go with the poster. You can see a bunch of templates that you can use. They are very beautiful, but on the left side scroll down and click this free and click for example this one. It will open it, and just double click it and change text over here with your quote. And to change the image, just go on over here on the left side photos and make sure to use the images that doesn't have this pro icon over here, like this and like this. Okay, to download it, just click over here download and choose this and choose if you want to upload on internet, choose the PNG, not PDF. Choose PNG and download the highest quality. And this is it.